This will be my 10th one here. 5 more after this, and I got 15 at home, and that's my 30. My father owned a license, so I was always on the boat ever since I was little. I think my father bought his license in '93, and every weekend that's kind of what we did. On Saturday mornings, go on the boat with the old man, get bit by a lobster and cry and go in the wheelhouse for the rest of the day. I like to write my own paychecks. I don't know, just feels better to be dependent on myself than depend on someone else, I guess. I like fishing, I like going out there on my own. Make a little bit of money. All right, to the beach. I hope in 20 years time, maybe my son can go here and set his traps and not have to deal with anybody, you know? Maybe DFO would come up and say, you know, how's fishing today? Yeah. Have a great day. It's good to see you wearing your life jacket.
That'd be awesome.
That'd be great. That'd be something.